Hi, it's Mark here from Mark's Reviews and Tutorials, and we are going to talk about the window anti-trap function that can come up as an error on your BMW. To reset this is really what you want to know. Key in so that it comes up with foot not on the brake, press the power button so that you're all on, and then down here at the window controllers, what you need to do, press this is the driver's window that's playing up on mine. You press the window down, so that the window comes fully down, and then keep holding it for about 3 seconds to see if it does anything up on the dash. Okay, like that, then let it up, and there's the warning coming up, so press it down again for about 3 seconds. So then let it up, and then we wind the window up. So wind it up and hold it up. It's gone away. Release it and then up again for 3 seconds. Not getting a response on the dash. But we'll see how it went, because this wouldn't auto down. So now I give it the press down. Yep, it's now going to auto down. So that has reset. Auto down and auto up. It's returned its functioning. It actually just has to learn where the top of the window is and the bottom of the window is again. So quick run through. Sorry about the music, let's turn that off. Quick run through, key on, and then press the start button with your foot not on so that it turns on but it doesn't start the engine. And then you wind the window down, all the way down, let it off, and then push it down and then hold it for about 3 seconds, probably at least 5 seconds I held it down for, and then let it off and then pull the window all the way up, and then take your finger off the button and then all the way up again for an additional 5 seconds, and that then resets it, because this window would not go down automatically, and it wouldn't go up automatically. So that is now reset. You can do that for any of the windows, front, back, whatever it needs to be.